To use tally counter on the edge screen in Samsung Galaxy S22, S22 Plus or S22 Ultra, swipe left edge panel and then find tool. If you cannot find tool, you must enable tool first. Swipe the open settings, swipe the notification panel, and then tap settings icon. Select display, and then scroll down display screen, and then tap add panels. Next, tap panels, and then check tools to enable tools on the screen. If disable, you cannot find tools in the add screen, and then check to enable. Okay, and then open panel add screen, and then find tools, and then tap more icon or three dot icon in tools. Select the counter, and then you can tap plus icon to increase or tap plus icon to decrease, or you can select regression, enable or disable regression on at target. Okay, thank you for watching. Have a nice day.